the man who dreamed of the perfect engine. What do you mean a perfect engine? That's probably what most scientists thought when Sadi Carnot, a young French physicist, published his ideas in 1824. At just 28 years old, Carnot asked a question that would forever change physics. How efficient can an engine possibly be? And in answering it, he created the foundation of thermodynamics, the science of heat and energy. Now let's set the stage. In the early 19th century, steam engines were revolutionizing industry, powering trains, ships, and factories, but engineers were working blindly. They didn't fully understand how heat turned into motion, and their engines wasted a lot of energy. That's where Carnot stepped in. Carnot imagined the perfect engine, not one we could ever build, but a theoretical machine that converts heat into work with maximum efficiency. He called it the Carnot engine. The key? The engine operates in a perfect cycle, with no friction, no energy loss, and crucially, it uses two heat reservoirs, one hot, one cold. Heat flows from the hot reservoir, does work, and then gets released into the cold reservoir. Here's the revolutionary insight. The efficiency of an engine doesn't depend on the materials it's made of or how it's designed. It depends entirely on the temperatures of the two reservoirs. The bigger the difference between hot and cold, the more work you can get out of the engine. This idea led to the famous Carnot efficiency equation, which is still used today. Carnot's work wasn't just about engines. It gave birth to the second law of thermodynamics, one of the most important principles in all of science. It's the law that explains why energy spreads out, why heat flows from hot to cold, and even why time seems to move forward. Sadly, Carnot didn't live to see how revolutionary his ideas were. He died of cholera at just 36, but his legacy is enormous. From car engines to power plants, everything that turns heat into motion owes something to Sadi Carnot, the man who dreamed of perfection. Like and follow to learn more about the incredible people who shaped the laws of our universe.